Pawns.app Quests, our absolutely awesome new way to earn is here. Starting this brand new journey with us is easy, and I'm here to tell you all you need to know. Let's go. Whether you've been with us for a while or you're just starting your Pawns.app journey, you already know that we offer several ways to earn. You can complete surveys, share your internet, or tell your friends about us, and earn gift cards, crypto, or straight up cash. But what about quests? You'll love this. The purpose of quests is to boost your earnings by doing all the things that we mentioned previously, completing tasks, reaching milestones, and getting paid extra. To start questing, just tap the Quest tab at the bottom center and begin your journey. Make sure to check and complete the requirements. You'll need to verify your email, complete a qualification survey, one regular survey, and share your referral link, video, or QR post. Don't worry, it's all clearly laid out for you. If you're a seasoned Pawns.app user and you already did all these things, don't worry, we thought about you too. You can claim your rewards and start questing. Once all the tasks are complete, you'll see the 3 types of quests: daily, weekly, and monthly, along with your current progress for each. On top of that, you'll be able to see timeless quests. You can complete these whenever you feel like it, since they have no time limit. As soon as you complete any of the available requests, you can claim your rewards points. Easy peasy, right? You'll see your current points in the top right corner, but you can also click on the points tab for more information. Aside from your current points, you'll find a history of your completed quests, the points that you've earned for each, and what you spent them on. Speaking of spending, here's the coolest part. You can exchange your points for boosts and cash in rewards section. Keep an eye on it because we'll occasionally add special rewards to make things extra interesting. You can also buy lottery tickets by visiting the lottery tab. It shows you all the available lotteries, and you can buy an unlimited number of tickets for each lottery. Well, as long as you have enough points for them, obviously. The number of tickets that you can get for each lottery is unlimited, so buying your tickets increases your chances of winning. As with all our other contests, games, and special events, we'll select the lucky winner randomly and notify them in the app and via email. That's all you need to embark on this adventure. We hope you'll have as much fun with these quests as we did developing them. As always, don't forget to check your social media links and website, where you can find countless useful tips and tricks to make the most of Pawns.app. If you have any fun ideas for new quests, we'd love to hear them in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.